What's the meaning of bolometer? Bolometer. Bolometer.
Bolometer. Bolometer. A bolometer is a type of sensor that measures the power of electromagnetic radiation by absorbing it and converting it into heat. The resulting rise in temperature can be measured and used to determine the intensity of the radiation. Bolometers are particularly useful for detecting infrared radiation, as they are highly sensitive to small changes in temperature. They are commonly used in astronomy to detect and study the faint signals emitted by distant objects, such as stars and galaxies. Bolometers have also found applications in remote sensing, medical imaging, and security screening. Their high sensitivity and accuracy make them valuable tools for a wide range of scientific and technological applications.